(1997), the year of a new beginning for the National Warplane Museum. For the first time, the Wings of Eagles Air Show would be held at its new home at the Elmira Corning Regional Airport in Big Flats, New York.
Hi, I'm Ken Moses from the National Warplane Museum. This is what we call the New Beginning Air Show, and this is our new home here in Elmira. We're 75 or 80 miles away from our original site in Geneseo, where we found here that the people in the area are very friendly and very cooperative, and they really support the museum. And I think here, once we get a facility up and going like we've already started to do with the new hangar, that we're going to have a wonderful facility, and it's going to really take hold here in a very aviation-oriented community.
While the location is new, the purpose of the museum is the same.
The philosophy of the museum right along has been to preserve and to show these old World War II airplanes. And we are one of only a few museums in the world today that fly the aircraft that we restore and build. I think the air show is the best way to present that to the public. The people come here and get very up close and personal with the airplanes and the pilots. And they're allowed to walk up to the airplanes and actually touch them and walk around them and take tours through them and be a part of the experience, the sights and the sounds of the aircraft themselves.
For 3 days in August, thousands would gather at one of the largest air shows of its kind in the country. Skies were, well, changeable. When storm clouds threatened, spectators were required to find often creative forms of cover. Persistence paid off, for as skies cleared, we were rewarded with a spectacular display of aviation history. Generations of aircraft were represented. Trainers like the Stearman PT-17 prepared pilots to fly the fighters and bombers of World War II. There were planes that saw duty in Korea and Vietnam, right up through today's modern fighters like the F-14 Tomcat and the multinational combat aircraft, the Tornado. Eras of aviation shared the sky. The Heritage Flight with the P-51 Mustang and the F-16 Fighting Falcon. And the Flight of the Cats. We'd relive the attack on Pearl Harbor and explore World War II German technology in a rare Heinkel HE-111. Today's technology was highlighted with a demonstration by the Harrier. For all the flybys and impressive demos, the Wings of Eagles Air Show offered something more: the opportunity to meet and talk with the pilots. Generations who share a love of flying and a dedication to keep the memories alive. We'd tour aircraft like the museum's own B-17G Fuddy Duddy, and in some cases, like the P-38 Lightning, we'd fly along. For the National Warplane Museum, the mission, the tradition, continues, even as it embarks on a new beginning.